Hi, it's me, Steven. I'll turn down the volume on the TV. There we go. Well, I'm just gonna move this over to the side. Move that over. And we are gonna go on Club Penguin. The best. Only the best. There we go. Well, hey everybody, it's Burn Pizza here. Ooh, cool. It's Burn Pizza. That's me. I have a lot of coins right there. Penguin Storm 4, pretty cool. I really like it. Just want to show you my igloo. Pretty cool, huh? That's right. Oh, by the way, new TV. It's a cheat. Here we go. HD TV. Pretty cool. Huh? Okay. Bye. See you on the next episode.